This is beautiful. I'm kind of speechless, honestly. Ooh, purple. All right, Megan, we got this. We're gonna do this and look nice. Still, uh-oh, the screws fell out. The screw came out in transit. Dude, this has been happening a lot lately with keyboards. I had a few clients reach out to me saying some of their screws were loose in transit as well. And look, this is brand new and loose. We have some accessories, stabilizers, and a PCB. Cool. Beautiful keyboard. I think these are still in stock, by the way. Beautiful, beautiful board. There, in our PCB. We're doing a little solderable build here today. I'm only soldering in one leg at a time. The reason being is because I guarantee you half of these aren't sitting flush. And when I go back to solder in and reflow the leg, I'll push down on the leg, reflow the solder, and everything should be seated well. All right, let's do this keyboard. I don't think I need to disassemble the weight, so I'm gonna screw this back in. Megan, what keycap set are you gonna be using for this? I mean, this is a very pretty purple. Favorite keyboard so far in 2024? If Event Horizon was this year, then it's Event Horizon. Followed by Ori, and then I think the new Mode 65 hits a certain sweet spot for me. I just like the wooden accent on it a lot. And then I think fourth place is the Universe. Fifth place, so far of, I guess, all the stuff that has come out, the Crush 65 sparked a lot of interest in what I like. So I'm probably messing some up or something. It was supposed to be flipped, right? I'm pretty positive it was supposed to be. I don't know if it was already pre-flipped or not. I don't think it's supposed to be flipped, put on the top. I don't think so, but I might actually have this upside down. I can literally go look at any of my old VODs. I don't know why I don't remember. People are reselling this for $500. I would not pay $500. There's other keyboards you can buy. Oh, don't spend $500 on the Alexotos Envoy. Just go buy yourself a regular ass Envoy. Don't spend $500 on that, please, for the love of God. Don't give in to that person flipping the board. That is 100% what I do not want you guys to do. Okay, if this is flipped wrong, I'm just gonna reflip it afterwards. I just can't remember which way this goes. Pretty sure I'm doing it right. Do not do that, please. There's one thing I could beg of you guys is do not give in to that. I think it is indeed the wrong way. I'll tell you guys this. I will be doing other cool things in the future. I can't tell you guys what. So if you guys wanted something with like a cool colorway like that, just wait. It's not worth it. We're gonna be putting this directly on the PCB because it's just way easier too. I've gotten really good at applying stickers to things, but I used to suck at this. What about stickers? I think I saw a vid of your... Oh no, that's Cass who made them. Look what Cass did now. Look at this stickers. Hold on, let me put this gasket first. It's me holding the keyboard with the other sticker in it. It is so dumb, dude. We need to go deeper. We should go deeper. Put it in the Arc? Oh, you want me to put it in yours? No, Megan, really? Hell yeah. All right, maybe we'll do it today. We'll see, we'll see. So this is what people get when they do build commissions. It's just something small. I thought it'd be cute to put in. So you get some stickers. I've limited just to build commissions because I don't have many. Also, I really like, again, I always say this, I like the fact that they have some way to kind of tie down the cable here. And they made it really easy with this heat shrink to kind of keep the cable in place. Again, no one really thinks about this when they're doing builds, when they're making keyboards. It's very rare that you get like a thoughtful cable design. And I don't know why people don't worry more about the build experience. It's always so interesting to me. I have a feeling a few of these switches like this are gonna be a little crooked. We'll worry about that after stream. With plateless builds, as I mentioned, they're always a little bit crooked. So. Fantastic purple. Oh, dude, yeah, this purple's sick. Look at this. It's a nice looking purple. Does it count as a cherry lip if the chamfer goes all the way around the keyboard? Huh. Yeah, that's a really good question. I mean, yeah, right? It would be. What's a cherry lip supposed to be degrees-wise? I mean, it still helps a little bit. It's more exaggerated on the front, so yeah, it's still one. Is it actually more exaggerated on the front? Oh, you know what? You guys are totally right on that. I did not even realize it is more exaggerated on the front than the back. Yeah, you know what it is then. All right, again, this is probably a little crooked, and I think this one might be. All the alphas look good, but this one, as you can kind of tell on the camera, we'll adjust that afterwards. All right, let's put in our spacebar switch here. I'll have to do some thorough testing with this, by the way. I don't know how stable this is actually going to be in the long run. This might not be stable. We might have to go in and kind of flood the Mil-Max sockets, but we'll see. These particular switches are a little loosey-goosey. So let's put some keycaps in this. A little nervous for this spacebar. Not gonna lie, but we'll figure it out. Ah, dude, this looks great. This looks fantastic with this set on it. Wow. I gotta definitely take a few pictures of this. This is beautiful. I'm kind of speechless, honestly. I don't think I've ever used Future Funk on a purple board. This looks so good, though. Wow, I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Also, let's take a second to appreciate the Arc. Beautiful side profile. Again, you can really appreciate it when light hits it. Even the back has this kind of curved grade over here that kind of reflects light really pretty. It's beautiful. It's a gorgeous looking keyboard. Here's the bottom of the board. Get some fingerprints on. I'll wipe those off. The badge has a little bit of a polish around the edges. It's overall a good board. It really is. They did a great job with this. Let's see what this sounds like. Still very much in love with the way this looks. So this is plateless configuration, HMX Macchiatos. They're completely stock. Do keep in mind, this is this is a Mil-Max. So if this ends up sounding a little bit weird, we'll fix that right away. Little HJ test for you guys. It definitely sounds like HMX switches for sure. I do want to change the spacebar. I hear something with the spacebar. I don't know if it's picking up on the mic. I like the alphas a lot. Spacebar I'm not too happy with. I'm actually considering doing an Obscura here because this is a louder build. Yeah, like look at the difference there. So much better. Spacebar hits. It's better like this. I think just because this was a bit looser, it was causing like a weird. I heard something. It was like a thinness. It's probably because it was bouncing up and down very, very subtly. We'll try a Nixie too. You know what? Maybe the Nixie does sound really good with this. Actually, no, I like the Obscura better. It matches the alphas more. I think this is a little bit too light in sound signature for this particular board. I'm really, really sad the Arc is just done skis. This is so nice. It feels so good too, by the way, because it's plateless. I really like the way this looks. I have an Arc as well. I have a personal build for it, and it's in rose gold. I ended up buying the prototype. I mean, I have white keycaps on it because it just looks the best with it. I don't know, rose gold and white, it's very classy. This is so nice. This is something I'd keep on my desk every day. Like just the color of it is really just, I'm vibing with this, bro. I am so vibing with this. Bye everybody, love you, see ya.